Formalize the logic of counting we learned in Episode 0. We'll learn the fundamental principle of counting, the backbone of all PNC problems. After this episode, you will never feel confused about which formula to apply. You will derive everything logically. Imagine a task is done in 2 sequential steps. Step 1, M weighs. Step 2, N weighs. Then total weighs equals M times N. You have 3 shirts and 2 trousers. How many outfits can you make? Choose shirt 3 ways, choose trouser 2 ways. Notice how we multiplied choices sequentially. Form a 3-digit number using digits 1, 2, 3, 4 without repetition. Step 1, first digit 4 ways. Step 2, second digit 3 ways. Step 3, third digit 2 ways. This is the multiplication principle in action. When we have different cases, we add the results. Total ways equals case 1 ways plus case 2 ways plus. How many 2-digit numbers can be formed using 1, 2, 3, 4 that end with 1 or 2? Step 1, last digit equals 1, first digit equals 3 options, 3 ways. Step 2, last digit equals 2, first digit equals 3 options, 3 ways. This is the addition principle. Often, problems need both principles. You have 3 shirts and 2 trousers. How many outfits if? Red shirt cannot go with X, all other combinations allowed. Step 1, case 1 red shirt. Only 1 trouser 1 way. Step 2, case 2 green/blue shirts. 2 trousers, each 4 ways. Here, we added the cases after applying multiplication principle inside each case. For JEE, visualizing slots helps in almost all permutation problems. Example 5, 3-digit numbers using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition slots. First, second, third choices. First 5, second 4, third 3. Later, we will generalize this to NPR. This is the FPC philosophy. Multiply for sequential steps, add for different scenarios. Once this is clear, formulas for permutation, combination, circular arrangements are just logical extensions. Don't memorize formulas yet. Practice visualizing steps and breaking problems into cases. FPC will make advanced topics trivial. In Episode 2, we will learn why factorials appear naturally and solve linear arrangement problems with step-by-step logic. Episode 1 is the first real tool you have. Episode 2 will put it into JEE level practice.